Good morning. I'm going to do a audio test on the KODAK PlaySport video camera. From the last couple of weeks of experience, the use of pocket video cameras has been outstanding. Great quality, good experience, fun to upload to YouTube, all that good stuff. But I have noticed there is a limit to what kind of quality you can get on the audio, depending on how far the subject is from the camera. Here's the test. I am 4 feet from the camera. This should be no problem. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. I am now 6 feet from the camera. I am testing 1, 2, 3, same voice, same level of decibels. I am now 10 feet from the camera. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Can I be heard? We shall find out. 12 feet. I'm now 12 feet from the camera. Testing 1, 2, 3. The KODAK PlaySport video camera. 12 feet. 14 feet. 14 feet. This is a test. 1, 2, 3 at 14 feet. 16 feet. I'm now 16 feet from the camera. Testing 1, 2, 3. KODAK PlaySport video camera audio test. 1, 2, 3.